Alright guys, I am starting back on my LT250R project. So far I have the spring. I just now took the bolts out for the bottom shock. I got some paint stripper. I'm going to start stripping off the green paint. Going to do the wheel, get the paint stripped off the wheels. And I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out what color I'm going to do it. But I want to strip it all down right now. It's the bolt to hold the bike up. It's out for the shock. Taking the shock out, gonna get a new shock. I'm on LT250R, the forum on Facebook, so I'm probably gonna get it from there used. You guys make some suggestions what you think the bike should be, the color of the bike. Getting new tires and wheels. Probably just gonna chrome them, polish them. Polish them, make them look good. Get some tires, get an extended axle a little bit. New shock, new color. The engine's getting fully built, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. This is my dad's 450R, Honda 450R. He traded his Z400 LT, his Suzuki Z400 for this, and it runs good. Brand new tires. Has a small oil leak. We're trying to figure out where that came from. But yeah, I think that was a very good trade. Dogs over there barking. I think that was a very good trade for him to do this. Run strong. He upgraded the sprocket to I think a 15 tooth, just to test it out, but he doesn't like it. Top end is good, but the bottom end is really laggy, so he's gonna put the 13 tooth on, because we're not really, doing top speed. We're just in the trails and stuff. I want to get this one done hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so. So I may make some more videos on this. I'm just tearing it down, building it, making it look nice. I'll get some GoPro video riding. GoPro videos of us riding and racing and doing whatever. So I'm gonna get the rest of the bolts out, so I can just have the frame, take off all the wiring harness, so I can get the frame itself by itself, so I can finish stripping it down. This is usually I use the aircraft remover, but I found this in the store. It was only like $6, and I sprayed it once. It was completely green like that. You can see the original Suzuki blue on there, which I'm kind of thinking I want to go back to. They painted this like Gamma Hulk green or something. But I was going to do it right now, but I just thought about it. I don't have anything to keep it from rusting or anything. So I'm going to wait until I'm fully ready to strip it down and paint it, to completely spray this stuff on it. So yeah, just a quick video update, just to keep the videos coming. Yeah, so like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos.